Hi everyone, I am Ayushi Jain, practicing company secretary and a law graduate. Today's topic is regarding updated procedure for issuance of duplicate securities certificates, which has been further simplified by standardizing the formats of documents, limiting the requirements from the claimants by SEBI circulars dated May 25, 2022, in continuation to earlier circulars dated November 3, 2021, December 14, 2021, and January 25, 2022. Let's have a look over the detailed procedure for issuance of duplicate security certificates. The first is security holders shall submit Form ISR 4, that is the duplicate shares or security certificate request, along with a copy of FIR, an affidavit, indemnity bond, and advertisement in newspaper. Now let me show you these four formats as prescribed by SEBI. This is ISR 4, which is basically for two purposes: duplicate certificates and other service requests. This is the format for affidavit. This is the indemnity bond format. And lastly, this is the letter of confirmation format prescribed by SEBI. Of FIR, advertisement, affidavit and indemnity bond are not required if the value of securities does not exceed 5 lakhs. Now the value of securities is to be calculated on the basis of closing price of such securities a day prior to the submission of application on any one of the recognized stock exchanges. After verifying and processing the request, the RTA or issuer company shall intimate the security holder about its execution within 30 days of a request by way of issuing a letter of confirmation, that is LOC. Because now the duplicate certificates can only be issued in dematerialized mode and not in physical mode. If the claimant does not submit the request with depository participant within a period of 45 days or 90 days as the case may be from issuance of LOC, the RTA or company as the case may be shall issue 2 reminders each after 45 days expiry and 90 days expiry. Letter of confirmation in totality would be valid for a period of 120 days from the date of its issuance, within which the security holder shall make a request to the depository participant, that is DP, for dematerializing the securities. DP shall generate the demat request on the basis of letter of confirmation and forward the same to the issuer or RTA for processing the demat request. In case of the securities which are required to be logged in, the RTA, while confirming the demat request, shall intimate about the login and its period. DP shall credit the securities in demat account of the claimant thereafter. In case if demat account request is not received within 120 days from the date of issue of LOC, the securities shall be credited to the suspense escrow demat account of the company, that is of the issuer company. Now I will discuss some important points regarding this procedure. Sureties are no longer required for issuance of duplicate securities. The company is required to take insurance policy from an insurance company for covering the risk related to issuance of duplicate securities. RTA or issuer company shall seize and deface any fake or forged or stolen certificates and the same to be disposed of as per the board of directors of the issuer company. Now coming to some important FAQs. What is required in place of FIR in case of overseas securities holder? An overseas security holder in lieu of FIR can provide self-declaration of the security certificates, which shall be notarized or apostilled or consularized as per the membership in Hague or Commonwealth, along with the self-attested copies of valid passport and address proof of overseas. What if certificate number, distinctive number or folio number are not available with the claimant? Then the RTA, upon written request by the claimant holder, shall provide the same only where the signature and address of the security holder matches with the RTA or issuer company's records. Now what is signature or address does not match? The security holder shall first comply with the KYC procedure. Now what is the KYC procedure of signature or address mismatch? There can be majorly 3 situations. First one is the minor mismatch. In case of minor mismatch in signature of the securities holder as available in the folio of the RTA and the present signature, the RTA, while processing the service request, shall intimate to the holder about the mismatch by speed post, providing timeline of 15 days to security holder for raising objection if any. In the absence of any objection, the service request shall be processed. If the letter returns undelivered or if there is any objection, As aforesaid, the RTA shall obtain signature verification by the banker before proceeding the service request. Now, in major mismatch cases, the holder or claimant shall have to furnish an additional document, that is the original concealed check and banker's attestation of the signature as per form ISR 2 as prescribed. In case of address mismatch, the security holder shall first comply with the KYC procedure for address mismatch. For minor mismatch in name between any two set of documents presented by the holder or the claimant of any service request, the RTA shall additionally obtain any one of the prescribed KYC documents explaining the difference in name, for example, Aadhaar, passport, etc. For complete list of documents, refer AJ Insights on my website, that is ayushij.com. For complete details regarding other situations like changes or updation in KYC details, registering PAN, address not available, nomination not available, etc. with RTA, refer our detailed article on our website. Link is provided in description box below. So that was regarding simplified procedure and documentation requirements brought by the SEBI circular. Do let me know if you want me to cover some specific provision in detail. Also share suggested topics for my next videos. The suggested topics can be from any of my 3 segments of videos. The first segment is 360-degree year, which details the background of the update also with the changes brought in by the ministry. Second, compliance shorts, that is this one, the short summary of compliance topic. Third is regular updates. Thank you for patient listening.